Are you tired of fumbling with flimsy plastic forks at the campsite? Or worse, forgetting utensils altogether? Whether you're a hardcore backpacker, a family camper, or a weekend barbecue warrior, finding the best camping utensils can genuinely make or break your outdoor meals. In today's video, I'm breaking down the top 15 picks, covering durability, weight, portability, and value, so you can eat well no matter where you end up. Quadish Travel Utensils. Quadish Travel Utensils is an Amazon bestseller for good reason. This 5-piece set includes a fork, spoon, knife, and laser-etched anti-slip chopsticks, all made from 18/8 food-grade stainless steel. The real star of the show is the waterproof aluminum foil-lined case with an elastic band that keeps everything rattle-free on the trail. It's fully dishwasher safe and rust resistant, so cleaning up after a muddy camping trip is zero drama. If you want a sleek, minimalist set that just works without overthinking it, this is genuinely one of the best all-around picks on this list. Coming in at number 2, the Ore Blue 4-in-1 Camping Utensils is a pocket-sized powerhouse designed for minimalist backpackers who hate carrying extra gear. Each multi-tool folds into a compact unit, combining a spoon, fork, knife, and bottle opener. And this listing includes 2 full sets at just 9.2 ounces total. Both sets are made from polished stainless steel and are fully dishwasher safe for easy cleanup back home. If you're counting every ounce in your pack and still want function without compromise, this one's a no-brainer. Next up, the Tanina travel utensil stands out from the crowd thanks to one underrated feature: its reinforced plastic carrying case with a secure buckle closure. No more spilling your silverware into the bottom of your bag mid-hike. The 4-piece set is made through a hot forging process for extra durability and is dishwasher safe. It's a no-fuss, dependable option for anyone who prioritizes gear that stays organized in a busy pack. Think of it as the set-it-and-forget-it pick. Practical, solid, and surprisingly well-built for the price. At number 4, the Avanda Travel Utensil Set is the go-to choice for families and groups heading out together. This service-for-6 set features lightweight, reusable plastic utensils, knives, forks, and spoons that cleverly snap together for space-saving storage in your camping bin or cooler bag. It's not the most rugged option on this list, but for casual family camping trips or picnics where you need to feed a crowd, it's affordable, portable, and surprisingly practical. A great pick for group outings on a budget. Halfway through the list, and this one's a game changer. The Free Hiker Camping Kitchen Utensil Set is a full 27-piece outdoor culinary arsenal. We're talking chef's knife, paring knife, scissors, ladle, tongs, skewers, wine opener, cutting board, 4 flatware sets, and more, all packed into a tidy organizer bag. Weighing in at 1.86 kilograms, it's not the ultralight choice, but if you're heading out in an RV or setting up a serious base camp, nothing else on this list comes close. This is the full outdoor kitchen experience in one bag. At number 6, another strong contender from the same brand. This Quadish 5-piece silverware set is built with heavy-duty 304 stainless steel, which is slightly thicker and more robust than the standard version. You still get the fork, spoon, knife, chopsticks, and anti-rattle travel case combo that made the first Quadish set popular. It's fully dishwasher safe and ideal for everyday eco-friendly use beyond just camping. Work lunches, travel, you name it. A great upgrade pick if you want a little more heft and durability in your utensils. Number 7 keeps things clean and simple. The Gwoluvsu Travel Utensils is a sleek, reusable stainless steel flatware set with a case, designed with a modern aesthetic that feels right at home, whether you're at a campsite or eating lunch at your desk. It's fully dishwasher safe and clearly built with reducing single-use plastic in mind. It doesn't have the flashy features of some others on this list, but what it does well. A solid, stylish, everyday carry for the eco-conscious camper or commuter. Coming in at number 8 with a totally different vibe, the YDY Top Wheat Straw Utensils are made from biodegradable wheat straw and BPA-free materials, making them one of the most eco-friendly picks on the entire list. You get 4 complete sets in 4 fun pastel colors, each with its own case, perfect for families with kids. The whole package weighs just 9 ounces and is dishwasher safe, making cleanup effortless. If sustainability and kid-friendly design are priorities for your outdoor adventures, this one's hard to beat. At number 9, the Quadish Travel Utensils in Silver is the polished, classic version of the brand's fan-favorite set. Same reliable 18-8 food-grade stainless steel, same laser-etched anti-slip chopsticks, and the same waterproof, rattle-free carrying case, now in a timeless silver finish at just 6 ounces. Fully dishwasher safe and rust resistant, this is a tried and true performer that looks great and travels light. If you prefer a classic silver aesthetic over black, this is your pick. Number 10 brings some genuinely clever engineering to the table. The Zoku Pocket Utensil Set features a unique nesting design where the fork and knife tuck neatly inside the spoon, and the whole set sits in a case lined with a soft-touch silicone grip to prevent rattling and keep fingers away from the eating surfaces. Made from 18-8 stainless steel with a BPA-free, phthalate-free case, it's top-rack dishwasher safe and seriously hygienic. This one's perfect for the detail-oriented camper who wants their gear to feel premium. At number 11, we've got something completely different. The Amazon Basics Disposable Cutlery Set is a 192-count bulk pack made from durable, BPA-free clear plastic. This is the ultimate solution for large camping groups, outdoor parties, or any situation where washing dishes just isn't on the agenda. These are single-use and not dishwasher safe, but that's entirely the point. If you need to feed a crowd without the cleanup headache, this budget-friendly bulk set gets the job done with zero fuss. Coming in at number 12, the UCO Utility Spork is a true ultralight legend for serious backpackers. Each spork weighs just 1.8 grams and combines a spoon, fork, and micro-serrated knife edge into a single seamless piece. Plus, the 4-pack comes bundled with an elastic shock cord tether to keep them together in your kit. Made from reinforced glass nylon that's BPA-free and fully dishwasher safe, these are practically indestructible for their size. Best for ultralight hikers who want to shave every last gram, this is as minimal as it gets. Number 13 is for the campsite foodie. The Log Cow 10-piece travel camping cutlery set goes beyond your standard fork, knife, and spoon. This impressive kit includes a dinner fork, knife, spoon, teaspoon, a sheathed steak knife, 2 mini spice jars, chopsticks, a cleaning brush, and a zipper carry case. It's all stainless steel and built for campers who take their outdoor meals seriously. Whether you're grilling a proper steak or seasoning a campfire stew, this set has you covered like no other on this list. At number 14, another strong showing from Free Hiker. This version of the Free Hiker camping kitchen utensil set focuses specifically on cooking tools like spatulas, tongs, and knives, all packed in a durable travel organizer bag. It's built from stainless steel and designed for outdoor chefs who need reliable gear beyond just eating utensils. It's a more streamlined option compared to the 27-piece set at number 5, but still delivers serious performance at the campfire or grill. A great pick for the dedicated outdoor cook who travels light but refuses to compromise. And rounding out our list at number 15, the OXO Good Grips Prep and Go utensils brings that trusted OXO kitchen quality to the outdoors. This three-piece set features full-sized, ergonomically comfortable utensils made from stainless steel, all nesting inside a sturdy, hard-shell carrying case. It's dishwasher safe and weighs just 0.17 kilograms, making it a surprisingly compact option for a set that feels this premium. If you're used to high-quality kitchen tools and don't want to downgrade just because you're outdoors, OXO delivers. So, there you have it, the best camping utensils. If I had to pick two standouts, the Quadish travel utensils for solo adventurers and the Free Hiker 27-piece set for group trips. Check the affiliate links in the description to grab the best prices. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell.